friends, I am Rupam again and welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Firstly, today I will discuss how to square any number from 225 to 275 in few seconds in your mind without any paper, pen or pencil. So, in few seconds as well. But there is only one condition. What is it? You have to remember this whole chart which shows the squares from 1 to 25. That's why when we first started this series, it started from 25, not from 1. Let's start with our first number. The first number is 248, let's say. Now, the base is 250 and the number is 248. That the number is too smaller than 250. Hence, why? Because it's smaller, we have to again deduct or subtract 2 from it again. So, 248 minus 2, which equals 246. Then we have to now multiply this, halve this by 2. And then it equals 1, 2 and 3. Then we have to multiply this with 5. Then it equals 615. Now we have to do square of 2, which is a single digit number 4. But in the chart it says 04. Why? Because it is only a 1 digit number and the number should be a 2 digit number. So if we add this to 615, it will be too small. So we have to add an extra 0 to the left to make it 2 digit. And this is our answer, 61504. I am just explaining this. You have to do this much faster. Our next example is 258, let's say. The difference is 8. Because it is greater, I will add 8, the difference, to this number again. After this, it becomes 258 plus 8, which equals 266. Then we will halve this number, which is 133. After this, we have to multiply this with 5, which equals 665. Yes, and then we have to square 8, which is already a 2-digit number, 64. So we can add it next to 665. This is our answer, 665564. Now you can go on with this for any square you like between 225 to 275 in short timing or few seconds. Practice this at home because you have to do much more harder sums like this. And also practice these squares because they are very essential in the sums. Without them you can't do it. So thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Bye.